Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we make sure your next purchase is the right one. Today, we're checking out the Kenmore HF5010 AquaLite 3-in-1 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Hard Floor Cleaner. This unique vacuum is all about combining two chores, vacuuming and washing floors, into one seamless, efficient experience. It's designed to save time, effort, and ultimately space in your cleaning routine. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's break it down. The first thing that stands out with the AquaLite HF5010 is its versatility. It's a wet-dry vacuum, meaning it's not just for dry debris. This one is made to tackle liquids and tough, stuck-on messes too. Whether it's crumbs on your kitchen floor or a splash of spilled juice, this vacuum is designed to handle both. The most unique part of this machine is its ability to clean and dry the brush roll automatically, which is a pretty innovative feature for keeping everything fresh and ready for your next use. Let's take a deeper look at its specs and performance. The Kenmore AquaLite is powered by a 22.2 volts battery, giving you the freedom of cordless cleaning. You can enjoy up to 35 minutes of runtime, which is solid for a vacuum in this category. Of course, the actual runtime depends on what mode you're in and how much mess you're dealing with, but for the average household, that's more than enough time to clean a few rooms or a couple of small spills. The swiveling design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and corners, so no awkward bending or pushing required. Plus, at just under 10 pounds, it's lightweight enough to lift and move around with minimal strain. A major feature here is the self-cleaning system built into the brush roll. This system is designed to keep the vacuum cleaner fresher for longer. It cleans and dries the brush roll automatically after use, which means you're not stuck with tangled hair or debris stuck to the bristles. If you've ever struggled with cleaning a brush roll, you'll know how satisfying this feature can be. And for people with long hair or pets, this could be a game changer. Another handy feature is the vacuum's two-tank technology. This means you get a separate tank for clean water and a separate one for dirty water. It ensures that you're always cleaning with fresh solution, never reusing dirty water. This might seem like a small detail, but it's one that makes a real difference when it comes to the effectiveness of cleaning, especially on hard floors where you want that streak-free shine. When it comes to the actual cleaning performance, the AquaLite shines on hard floors. It's perfect for keeping things like tile, laminate, and hardwood clean without too much hassle. The edge cleaning design is one of my favorite features here. It cleans right up to baseboards and cabinets, making sure there's no dirt left lingering in those hard-to-reach places. For anyone who struggles with getting into tight corners or along edges, this feature is a big plus. The LED display is a nice touch too. It shows you the cleaning mode, battery life, and gives you full control at a glance. No guessing about when it's time to recharge or switch modes. But of course, no product is without its drawbacks. One thing I noticed during testing is that while it works wonders on smooth, hard floors, it might not be the best option for thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning. The suction power, while good for everyday messes, isn't necessarily going to lift deep-set dirt from a carpet, especially if it's deeply embedded. The 35-minute runtime is decent, but if you're working on larger areas or higher power settings, you might find yourself needing a recharge a bit sooner than expected. Also, the overall cleaning speed might feel a bit slower compared to a traditional vacuum and mop setup. While the dual cleaning function is great for smaller messes, it may not offer the same level of deep clean as a standalone vacuum. Now let's talk about value for money. The AquaLite is priced in the mid-range for cordless multi-surface vacuums, and it definitely offers good value considering the features it packs in. The self-cleaning brush roll and two-tank system are features you usually see in higher-end models, but you're getting them here without breaking the bank. That said, it's important to recognize that this is more of a specialty cleaner for hard floors and smaller messes. If you have a bigger home with a lot of carpeting or need something for heavy-duty cleaning, there are other vacuums in a similar price range that might offer more power or versatility. Comparing it to similar models in 2025, there are a few alternatives that might catch your eye if you're looking for something with more suction power or a more flexible design. Other vacuums in this price range, like the Bissell Crosswave or the Shark Vac Mop, offer similar wet-dry cleaning capabilities, but they often have better suction power or slightly more extended runtimes. Still, the AquaLite self-cleaning brush roll and edge cleaning make it stand out as a more convenient option for smaller homes or quick cleaning jobs. When it comes to build quality, the AquaLite feels solid. The plastic materials used in the body don't feel cheap, but they're not premium either. The construction is sturdy enough for everyday use, and the attachments, like the 2 brush rolls and the cleaning tool, feel well designed and practical. In terms of maintenance, it's pretty easy to keep clean. The brush roll system is designed to minimize hair tangling, and the tanks are easy to remove and rinse out. The real challenge might be keeping the filters in good shape, especially if you're cleaning a lot of liquids or sticky messes. So just make sure to stay on top of that. While this vacuum doesn't require a ton of customer support, Kenmore has a generally strong reputation for responsive service if anything goes wrong. The warranty coverage should provide peace of mind, but the product is built well enough that major issues are unlikely. Wrapping up, the Kenmore HF5010 AquaLite is a solid choice for anyone looking for an efficient, easy-to-use, wet-dry vacuum that tackles everyday messes with minimal hassle. It's especially great for smaller spaces, people with hard floors, and anyone who hates cleaning the brush roll. If you're after a vacuum for heavier duty tasks, or if you have a lot of carpet, this might not be the best fit for you. But for regular quick cleanups on hard floors, it does an excellent job. At its price point, it offers good value for what it delivers, especially with its unique self-cleaning brush roll and edge cleaning design. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the AquaLite? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Keep your floors cleaner longer with Reviews Inside TV.